What is happening, yeah, peepsicles? How are you doing? My wife says hello. She doesn't really, though. She doesn't like you guys. Sorry. Going to the property. Got the goodies. Yums. We're headed out. First, we got to stop at the lumber supply place. Framer texted me this morning. Oh, and Merry Christmas. And Happy New Year. You'll probably be seeing this in the Happy New Year time. But I forgot to say Merry Christmas in my last video. So, Merry Christmas. Anyway, Framer texted me this morning and said, you gotta go, I need joist hangers. So, called the lumber supplier. Gonna go pick them up now. So, that's where we're headed. Then we're headed to the property. Gonna do some work out there. Because I got the whole week off, baby. Alright. Made it to the property. There's a lot going on here, folks. Yep. The kids are taking in pieces of cut drywall and they're painting them. It keeps them busy. Some pretty cool designs. We got a skyscraper right here. New Year's Eve. What's up? I don't know what the heck that is, but that's my daughter right there. With the long legs. But yeah, a lot going on here. We got concrete truck. We got driveway here they're working on. They're gonna pour half of it right now and then half of it after. We got front porch framed out or formed out. But yeah, framers are working as well. They may have gone to lunch already or something, but they're working on sheeting the roof. And it looks like they started pouring the front porch. So we'll go take a look at that. Doing a great job. Yeah, exactly what I'd be doing. You know, perfect concrete, screedage stuff. Oh, buddy. All right. Well, get him down. Let's let him work. You know, don't want to interfere. But yeah, no, they're getting the driveway here as well. They're doing half and then half. I'm not entirely sure why they do that. Maybe it's just easier to work with that way. Then they're going to work on forming the porch or the front sidewalk, and then they're going to work on the back as well, back porch. So we got a lot of concrete being poured today, which I'm super happy about. I'm really excited about the back porch. That's gonna be where we got kind of all the cooking and all that going on. The outdoor kitchen is gonna be cool. So it's gonna go from, I extended it. It was just like over there, straight across, right under this header, right under this beam. But I decided, you know what? Let's extend it because I made an opening here, framed out an opening. It's closed off now because the door is still in order. But there's gonna be a door from the master bedroom coming out to the back porch. So I want it to come and then loop around over there and touch on that corner. And there's gonna be outdoor kitchen along that wall. I got plumbing put in for a sink there. It's gonna be legit. All right, too legit to quit. Let's get an angle from in here. All right, let's try to kind of get in through here. Just like playing with Play-Doh, you know? No different. That Spider-Man moves. This is gonna be the garage. Things are taking shape, folks. I'm excited about it. I am. You know, it's one of those days, you know, encouragement day, like we talked about. There's discouragement days and then there's encouragement days, and this is encouragement days. Dasha, my wife, she was like, all I see is money. All I see is money being spent when she sees all this. I'm like, gotta spend money. Let's go see what the kids are up to. Let's see what they're painting. If they're getting any progress on their works of art. Ooh, what do we got here? Rainbows?
Dad, I'm gonna add a pot of gold at the end.
Pot of gold. That's the kind of rainbows we're painting, okay, guys? The pot of gold kind.
I'm bleeding.
You're bleeding? Let me see. Oh my goodness, get this girl to the hospital. All right, they're painting while we're painting. We got some painting in this room to do. Remember, I painted that room, if you remember. We're gonna paint in here. Gonna keep on keeping on. All right, I think I got some more stuff to do. We've been painting, framer's been framing, concrete guy's been concreting things. I got my propane tank, my torch. I'm gonna go torch these big old nasty, I don't know, grasses, weeds, whatever on the driveway here. I just want to get them down. They look nasty, and then it'll give me some good idea on how we want to get this driveway situated. Basically, now that we are doing all this concrete here, it'll be kind of the last hurrah, last push for big old trucks coming in here. So then we can really do some grade work and regrade this driveway and readjust it and all that good stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Here comes the goofballs. But let's do some of that, shall we?
Whoa! Don't let it air. Oh God, there's still fire on.
All right, my homie home slices. I'm closing this video out. Stay tuned for more, where we get some continued action on the homestead, on the house build, on the barn dominium. Got some good action. Got some good progress done with painting over there. You saw me burning the world over there. What are you doing?
I'm gonna say peace with you.
You need to do what now?
Peace.
Oh, you want to say peace with me? I gotcha. Didn't have enough concrete to finish this, so they're gonna finish that tomorrow. Don't go over there. They got the front stoop done. They got a whole lot of sheeting on the roof. So that is good to see. There's a nice little front porch here. I guess not too little, which is great. I love the view we're gonna have here. If I'm sitting on my front porch eating coffee, there's where the pond's gonna be, right down in there. It's gonna be legit. But yeah, we're making progress. Hey, don't stand on that. That's what is supporting that beam right there, as you can see. So don't mess with it. All right, guys. No, you can't. Let's go. Come on. Anyway, y'all guys want to say it with me? Y'all want to say it with me?
Yeah.
Till next time, we'll see you later.
Peace.